Gusto nyo bang makilala ang inyong business, kumita, sumikat at maging patok online or TV? Get more customers and grow your business. Advertise now.
From the studios of Litter News Philippines, Errol Dacame of Kamao Asset. From the studios of Litter News Philippines, Errol Dacame of Kamao Asset.
Sa panahon ng trahedya at kalamidad, dapat mas matibay ang ating pagkakaisa na maipadama ang malasakit sa kapwa. Tulungan po nating makabangon ang mga nasalanta ng flash floods at landslides na ikinasawi ng 15 katao at 6 pang nawawala sa Tiwi Albay. Magsama-sama po tayo sa Mission Tabang Tugang, a fundraising campaign of Litter News Philippines for the victims of Typhoon Usman. You may send your cash donations to BDO Savings Account name Errol Dacame with account number 103-700-46323. Ang Mission Tabang Tugang ay sa pakikipagtulungan ng Montalban Bonsai Society, Heroes Alliance, PMI, United Gold Sports at MCVO.
Si Errol Dacame, ang Kamao Asero.
Siyempre katuwang din po natin ang Bull Riders Club of the Philippines at marami pang individual na committed sa ating Mission Tabang Tugang. Before anything else mga kaibigan, basahin ko muna ang mga inisyal na nagpaparamdam po sa atin. Ka-Errol, pakibati naman po kay Police Chief Inspector Victoriano Yarcia, Chief of Police ng bayan po ng Difon, Quirino Province. Pag Chief Inspector, ano yan di ba? May, ano man tawag dyan? Major na yan, di ba? Pag Police Chief Inspector. Pag Inspector, Police Inspector, Captain yun. Ayan, sige. Si Hepe, Chief Inspector Victoriano Yarcia ng Difon, Quirino. Pabati po yan ni Sir Alberto Hinabeya. At si Jen Peralta, dyan sa... Nasaan ba si Jen Peralta? Saan ka nga dyan? Saudi Arabia ka ba? And lahat po mga nakasilip sa atin palatuntunan, welcome po. Salamat sa patuloy niyo pong suporta. By the way, para po mabigyan tayo ng update sa ating Mission Tabang Tugang mga kaibigan, kasapin po natin ulit ang ating Mission Campaign Manager para bigyan po tayo ng latest update at salamat siyempre sa mga patuloy pong nagpi-pledge at nagpaparating ng kanilang mga tulong sa ating Mission Tabang Tugang para makapaghatid po tayo ng ayuda sa ating mga kababayan sa Tiwi Albay sa darating na Sabado. Habang balikan natin yung ating survey question, mas maganda na ba ang Pilipinas ngayon kumpara noon? Ano po sa inyong palagay? So, alright, habang nag-iisip po kayo ng isasagot po sa ating tanong, mga kaibigan, nasa linya po natin muli ang ating Mission Campaign Manager, Binibining Angie Puso, ang ating in charge po sa campaign. Kasapin po natin ulit. Miss Angie, muli magandang hapon po sa inyo.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon po, Sir Errol. And good afternoon po sa lahat na nakikinig at nanonood ng Video News Philippines.
Apo, makiki-update ulit kami sa ongoing na campaign ng Leader News
Yes, sir.
na Mission Tabang Tugang. Apo.
Opo, yes, sir. So far po, we've been busy the whole week. And good news po natin is we've been supported strongly by a lot of people. So maraming salamat po dun sa mga sumuporta na. And right now po, ang standing po ng ating mission is tuloy na tuloy po yung activities natin na mangyayari on January 19, which is going to be on a Saturday.
Mhm.
Bali, most likely po ang take-off po nito is from Manila by Thursday evening, and the other groups po are gonna be taking off from Manila Friday. Ang landing area po natin, for the benefit of those who are gonna join us, ay sa Barangay Naga, yung pong barangay hall doon na sa kabutiang palad po ay pinagbigyan po tayo ni Barangay Captain Evelino Lovidorial. So on Friday morning, naka-prepare po yung barangay hall ng Naga TV, and we will be staying there with them. Kung saan din po maggaganap yung ating preparation and repacking sa ating mga i-distribute. Ang distribution po natin ay mangyayari on Saturday sa Naga National High School. Bali, we have 2 targets po na recipients. Ito po yung Kararayan Naga Elementary School, kung saan mayroong approximately 50 families na stay doon as evacuees. At sa Naga National High School, which is about 150 families naman po ang nandoon sa kasalukuyan. They're both in Naga, and close approximation lang po ito galing sa barangay hall, so it's gonna be very easy for us to mobilize yung grupo. So, yun po yung ating schedules. The distribution starts at around 8 o'clock in the morning. With regards po doon sa mga curious po kung nasaan na tayo sa ating preparation, we are very blessed right now that we've raised as much as 51,500 pesos. These are pledges from our supporters so far. And we just want to remind everybody po na ito po ay hindi lang isang one-time event. This is a continuous event. So, with the amount that we have right now, we still are looking for more funds, more contributions, and more donations from you guys kasi marami pa pong magaganap after this first leg on Saturday. May darating pa pong part 2 at saka part 3 nito. So, dire-diretso po tayo. So, we are still looking forward for your continued support. The continuous project itself will include further rehabilitation po nung area na affected ng landslides. So, with the assistance of our viewers po at yung mga sumusuporta sa mission, yung long-term plan po includes relocation, reforestation, and possibly a livelihood program din po para sa mga victims ng calamity ng TV Albay. Now, we are still requesting po for your cash donations. We need for the elementary school, they have specifically requested po for food packs and cleaning materials po kasi gawa ng, syempre po nandun sila nagko-commune ngayon dun sa evacuation centers. So kailangan po ma-maintain din sanitation para po sa kalusugan din ng mga naroroon. So they are requesting us to provide them with cleaning materials and food packs as well. While sa high school naman po, there are other supporters na nauna na po doon, but they are still lacking condiments, particularly mga asin, bawang, sibuyas, mga pangsahog po sa kanilang mga everyday meals doon. At banig, kasi syempre po limited din yung kanilang resources gawa na yung mga bahay nila po ay nasa lantangan ng bagyo. So yung tutulugan po nila hindi rin masyadong conducive sa pangmatagalang panahon. So they're also requesting sa mga banig, blankets and all that. So we are encouraging po cash donations gawa ng mas magiging madali po sa atin to mobilize the goods directly kung doon din po tayo magpa-purchase sa venue natin sa ating pupuntahan. We're not only gonna support the evacuees, but we're also going to be helping yung mga local entrepreneurs doon kung doon natin din po kukunin yung ibibigay natin sa kababayan.
Tama.
Yung pong existing video account natin is still very active. Some people are asking bakit may konting delay. The account numbers po, the correct ones is account number 103-700-46323. Let me repeat that. 103-700-46323 under the account name of Errol Dacame. BDO savings account po ito. All the proceeds will be posted para po malaman nyo kung saan pupunta yung ating mga nalikom na donasyon. Also, so far po, on the screen will be posted yung information. So please take note yung po yung schedule natin on January 19 is just the first leg of the 3-part project. So far po, we'd like to thank yung mga kasama natin sa GC na very, very active po na nagpa-participate on a daily basis. We were monitoring yung mga pledges and everything, are communicating with us through the GC. Now, please continue to communicate with us. Any cash donations that you'd like to send over, please send it over to us personally through GC or follow the information dun sa ating banner. So far po, we'd like to thank the following people. Syempre po, Heroes Alliance for the guidance of founder Oliver Lee Cook and National Director Taiko Norabilio. Sir Oliver is currently under the weather right now, so pagaling kayo. Maraming salamat din po kay Governor Arcelias, who's been with us throughout this project as well, and I believe, sir, he's gonna be on air later. So maraming salamat po, Gov.
Yeah.
Also to Sir Tito Porras from Montalban Bonsai Society and Mr. Philip Dacoco for the cash donations. Malaking bagay po yan. So salamat po. To founder Sir Bong David of Bo and CIS Sir Wilson Cabanas and Ma'am Julian Tabalios. Very, very active po sila sa GC and their support is very well appreciated, sir. Sa PMI po, care of Sir Bernard Minoso, salamat din po. And to the professor from AU, a good friend of Sir Errol, Sir Jobert, salamat din po sa suporta. Now, nakakatuwa po, sir, kasi from all the way from UAE, meron po tayo dun sponsor din natin, which is the United Goal Sports, care of Mr. William Bragais. And the exciting part of this is because meron po silang gagawin a one-day basketball tournament sa UAE on January 18, and the proceeds of that tournament will be donated for the mission. So maraming salamat po. Nakakataba po ng puso na all the way from UAE. People are still thinking about yung Filipino men na nangangailangan ng tulong. So salamat po dyan. And also with the BRC, care of Sir Phil Raubs and their Bicol chapters, Pres Jeric and Sir Chot, salamat po. We also received some donations coming from Ma'am Melba Parom and Sir Joel Brocales, owners of Mixed Restaurant in Makati. If you want to spend some time in Makati, drop by Mixed Restaurant. And also to Sir Bert Hashimoto, he has pledged 150 pieces of shirts for the families there in TV Albay. So mga supporters po natin to na so far is fully committed with the mission. So we are encouraging others to do the same thing. So yung po mga kasama nating iba sa GC, hindi ko po mention lahat sila pero maraming salamat po. And we will mention them anyway sa mga posts po natin in the future. And to everybody else po na nakikinig at nanonood, please continue supporting this mission Tugang rather. It's a 3-part mission. Again, the first one is going to be on January 19. Tuloy na po tayo. So, asahan po namin kayo. Maraming salamat po.
Very well said. Angie, dahil sa effort ninyo dyan sa management ng Mission Tabang Tugang, nagiging mas active ang ating GC, mas nagiging fruitful at maraming nahihikayat. Iba talaga
ito po yan. Ramdam na ramdam po namin din, nating lahat po na marami po talagang mga kababayan din na talagang nag-iisip sa ikabubuti ng kapwa. So maraming salamat po at they're always there. At especially po Sir Taikon, who I think was going to be posting sa Heroes page po yung itinerary for the group. So please stand by for that.
Yeah. You make mention of several elements, aspects of our long-term project in that area, yung reforestation, relocation, and livelihood, ano? Si Sir Tito Porras ay maraming naisip na iambag sa atin yan. And he will be very, very active working with us because he has a lot of friends also that can really extend help, especially in terms of yung housing ideas and livelihood component.
And we are looking forward for that, sir, kasi as far as we agreed upon, sir, after the event ng January 19, magkakaroon po tayo ng upuan and we will discuss more about the second leg of the mission para po ma-incorporate pa natin lahat ng mga gusto nating planuhin para sa kanila.
That's right. So again, Miss Angie, ang ating mission campaign manager. Madam, salamat sa mga efforts at sa pagtatsaga.
Maraming salamat po.
Sa ngalan ng mga Bicolano.
Po.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po. All right. Miss Angie Puso ang ating Mission Tabang Tugang Campaign Manager. Balikan po natin yung ating nagpapatuloy na panawagan, siyempre na nangangatok po kami sa inyo po mga pintuan para sa mga dagdag na tulong at mahaba-haba pong ayuda ang kailangan po ng ating mga kababayan doon because there are people, yung mga nasa evacuation centers po ng Naga National High School and Cararayan Naga Elementary School are products of forced evacuation. Ibig sabihin, talagang pwersahan po silang pinalikas po doon sa loob ng eskwelahan because they cannot anymore go back and they're not allowed to go back to their original areas dahil po sa peligro ng panibagong landslides anytime at flash floods. So itong gagawin po natin sa January 19 ay initial po lamang ito at magkakaroon po ng mga series of charity programs and projects pertaining to their total recovery. So inaasahan po namin ang inyo pong patuloy at walang sawang pagsuporta po sa ating pagtulong sa mga kababayan po natin. Ano po? Maraming salamat po ulit sa lahat. Balikan ko po kayo pagkalipas po ng ilang importanteng paalala.
Magbabalik si Errol Dacame sa Kamaong Asero.
Bring your business over 1 million TV or online. Reach your target customers anytime, anywhere. Your brand on TV or on the web. Get more customers and grow your business. Advertise now.